Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about the history of learning management system. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. History of Learning Management System. The history of learning management systems, or LMS, is a fascinating journey that parallels the evolution of technology in education. Here are some brief overview. Number 1. By 1960s to 1970s, the origins of LMS can be traced back to early forms of computer-based education. Universities and research institutions began experimenting with computer-assisted instructions, or CAI, which involved using mainframe computers to deliver educational content to students. Number 2, 1980s to 1990s, with the advent of personal computers, the concept of computer-based training, or CBT, gained popularity. This era saw the development of standalone educational software programs and CD-ROMs that allowed for interactive learning experiences. However, these systems were limited in terms of scalability and connectivity. Number 3, late 1990s, the emergence of the internet paved the way for the modern LMS. Web-based platforms started to appear, offering features such as content management, online assessments, and student tracking. One of the notable examples of this period is WebCity, which founded in 1995, which became one of the first widely adopted LMS platforms. Number 4, late 1990s, the emergence of the internet paved way for the modern LMS. Okay, number 4, early 2000s. The early 2000s saw the proliferation of LMS solutions as e-learning gained traction in both academic and corporate settings. Platforms like Blackboard, founded in 1997, and Moodle in 2002, became household names in the education sector, offering a range of features to support online teaching and learning. Number 5, mid-2000s to present, the LMS landscape continued to evolve with advancement in technology and changes in educational practices. Open source platforms like Moodle and Sakai gained popularity due to their flexibility and affordability. Commercial solutions such as Blackboard and Canvas emerged as dominant players in the market, offering comprehensive suites of tools for course management, collaboration, and analytics. Number 6, mobile and cloud-based LMS. The rise of mobile devices and cloud computing has had a significant impact on LMS development. Modern LMS platforms are designed to be accessible from any device with an internet connection, allowing for greater flexibility and convenience in learning. Additionally, the integration of social media, gamification, and multimedia content has enriched the online learning experience. And lastly, number 7, adaptive learning and AI. The recent trends in LMS development include the integration of adaptive learning technologies and artificial intelligence. These innovations personalize the learning experience by analyzing student data and providing tailored recommendations and feedback. Adaptive learning systems aim to optimize learning outcomes by adapting to individual learners' needs and preferences. Overall, the history of LMS reflects a continuous effort to harness technology to improve education and training. As technology continues to advance, we can expect LMS platforms to evolve further, providing new opportunities for innovative teaching and learning experiences. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is the history of learning management system is all about. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Please hit the like button and please support my channel guys by watching. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.